Ever wondered how to streamline your social media marketing efforts across various platforms? Well, let's put an end to your curiosity. Today we're about to embark on an enlightening journey into the realm of Meta Business Suite, a one-stop solution for all your social media marketing needs. This comprehensive tutorial will equip you with the know-how to navigate this powerful tool, optimizing your online business operations like a pro. From setting up your account to mastering product research and listing optimization, we'll walk you through every crucial step. We'll unveil the secrets of leveraging Meta Business Suite's features to their utmost potential, ensuring your e-commerce venture thrives in today's competitive digital landscape. So whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, this tutorial promises to offer something valuable for everyone. Buckle up for an informative ride, and remember, every step of this journey can help you level up your social media marketing game. Stay tuned to learn how to make the most out of Meta Business Suite.
Your social media marketing game. Stay tuned, make the most use of Meta Business Suite for your business. So what actually Meta Business Suite is? Well, think of it's your virtual business assistant in one platform that integrates the variety of essential tools, features designed to streamline your e-commerce operation. It's like having your own team experts. Only these experts and the algorithms AI behind the clock to manage all of your online businesses effectively. It brings together functionalities from various platforms under the Meta portfolio, including Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and WhatsApp, providing an unfiltered interface that manages your business interaction across this platform. It helps one step-by-step process to optimize the business, analytics, advertising, and customer support. But what sets Meta Business Suite apart from other business management tools? Well, it's a seamless connectivity. Having all of your tools in the place means you can quickly switch between tasks without having to log in or out of different platforms. It's about saving time, increasing efficiency, and making your life as an entrepreneur a little bit easier. Moreover, Meta Business Suite is designed to scale your business. Whether you're a small startup just ripping up your tools or an e-commerce large corporation, complex needs, Meta Business Suite has the flexibility and the power that accumulate your business growth. And let's not forget the data. Harness the vast amount of user across Meta platforms. Meta Business Suite provides businesses with invaluable insights who customer your behavior, market trends, performance analytics. With these insights at your fingertips, you can make data-driven decisions, optimize your marketing strategies, and ultimately become the growth hub of your particular business. Meta Business Suite is a potential enhanced customer relationship. It helps you bring your customer relationship with ingredient messaging, customer support features. You can easily engage with your customer, respond to queries, build a strong and lasting relationship. After all, a happy customer is a loyal customer. Now that you know what Meta Business Suite is, let's dive into how to use it. Getting started with Meta Business Suite is a breeze. The first step is to navigate the Meta Business Suite homepage. Here, you will find an option, create a new account. Click on it, you will be directed to the registration page. You will need to input some information such as your name, mail address, a secure password. Details will be the foundation for your new business account. Once you have filled it out, all the necessary fields, simply the register button, then receive a confirmation mail. Just click on the link within that email, verify your account. Voila! You are now a part of Meta Business Suite community. Now you need to first log in. Welcome by an intuitive dashboard now. And here, your social media marketing leader, you have it. You now have a Meta Business Suite account. Let's talk about one of the most powerful tools in the Meta Business Suite, the product research tool. This incredible feature is designed to help you with the best products and businesses and saving your countless hours. It's like having your own personal product scout at your fingertips. How does it work? It's simply once you are in Meta Business Suite dashboard, navigate to the product tool. Here you can input your desired product category or even a specific product you are interested in. The tool will then scan the market, analyze the data ready for you, various sources to present you a comprehensive list of products that are trending, high selling, most importantly, profitable. But does not stop there. The tool also provides detailed insights including its sales history, average price, competition level, customer reviews. You can even view products performance over time, helping you make informed decisions about whether it's your good fit business. This tool is not just about finding products, it's about finding the right product. It helps you identify profitable niche, have overlooked and uncover hidden gains that your competitors might not be aware of. It's a game changer, especially for new businesses that are still figuring out what products to sell. And the best part is incredible users friendly. You don't need to be a data analyst to use this tool. It presents all the information in an easy way to understand format, so you can quickly identify the key metrics that matter to your business. Think all at your secret weapon for the competitive world of e-commerce. It arms you with the knowledge you need to stay ahead of the curve and succeed in your online business. It's about selling products. It's about selling the right products. And with Meta Business Suite product research tool, finding those winning products just a whole lot easier for you right now. With product research tool, finding profitable product is easier than ever before, but finding great product is only half of the battle. To make sales, you need to optimize listing. Listing optimization is a crucial cog in the commerce machine. It is art and science, making your products more visible, appealing to the potential customer. It's about crafting compelling product titles, persuasive bullet points, and enticing product descriptions that not only attract customers but also convince them to click buy now button. By wondering how do I optimize my listing? Well, that's where Meta Business Suite comes into play. This all-in-one platform provides you with a powerful tool, data-driven insights to help you optimize your listing like a pro. Let's start with product titles. A good product title should be descriptive, keyword rich, and concise. Meta Business Suite tool can help you identify high-performing keywords related to your products. Incorporate these keywords into your title to increase visibility in search results. Moving on to the bullet points, these are your opportunity to highlight key features and benefits of your products. Use Meta Business Suite sentiment analysis tool to understand what your customer value. Include these points to your listing. Amber your bullet points should customer focused, highlighting not just what your product does, but how it can solve customer problems or improve their lifestyle. Lastly, we have product description. This is your chance to tell your story about your product. How will it fit their problem? Use Meta Business Suite text analytics tool to craft descriptions that resonate with your target audience, and doesn't stop there. Meta Business Suite also provides you with performance analytics. Use this analytics continuously, refine and improve your listing based on what's working and what's not. Remember,
Listing optimization is not a one-time task. It's a continuous process of testing, learning, and improving. But with Meta Business Suite's powerful features at your disposal, you're well equipped to master this process. With these tips, your product listings will be more persuasive and appealing to potential customers. And that's a wrap on our tutorial on how to use Meta Business Suite. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding what Meta Business Suite is to exploring its standout features. It's a comprehensive platform that's designed to streamline your e-commerce operations and elevate your online business to new heights. Meta Business Suite is the ultimate tool to help you manage your online business effectively. It integrates a plethora of essential tools and features into one easy-to-use platform. No more juggling between different applications or tabs. Everything you need is right there at your fingertips. We started our journey by creating an account and familiarizing ourselves with the intuitive dashboard. This dashboard is your command center, your one-stop shop for all things related to your online business. We then dove into the powerful product research tool, which will undoubtedly revolutionize your product sourcing game. Gone are the days of spending countless hours scrolling through websites to find the perfect products. With Meta Business Suite, you can quickly analyze market trends, identify profitable niches, and uncover top-selling products in a matter of minutes. From there, we moved on to mastering the art of listing optimization. Meta Business Suite provides you with valuable insights and data-driven suggestions to help you create compelling product titles, write persuasive bullet points, and craft enticing product descriptions. It's all about maximizing visibility and driving sales. In conclusion, Meta Business Suite is a game changer for any e-commerce entrepreneur or social media marketer. It's not just a tool, it's a complete solution that can transform the way you run your online business. So, why wait? Dive in, explore, and start leveraging Meta Business Suite for your business. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, happy marketing.
Self-made, on my own, bring the empire from the stone. I'm the one, I'm the boss, I'm the one who beat the cost. Had to learn, had to grow, had to be patient, had to know the success it takes time and a little bit of patience.